Sorry about that, guys. Camera shut off. So I'm guessing in here's my beast village. Hopefully. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. Dad, I asked for 2 colors and he gave me the 2 colored one. Awesome. Thank you so much, Mike. Oh my gosh. This thing is awesome. And it's completely, it's like super heavy. Thought it would be a little bit bigger, but oh my gosh. Alright, so here's the products I ordered. This, and this. I got a couple. I'm just pretty good amount of stuff. Whoa! I haven't seen this one before. Got 2 like Rastas. I mean not Rastas. Whatchamacallit? Here's the Rasta. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.